Okay, so I'm going to walk you through one more time how to send your retention initiatives or the Google form to the people in your department. You should have received an email from me last Friday morning that came from Alex Vasha, and it should say retention initiatives and then your two initials. Click open in forms. When that comes up, you're going to go up here and hit send. You're going to click on this link right here. You're going to copy that link, and then that link is copied. Once you copy that link, then you are going to go back to your email account and you're going to compose an email and you're going to send to the different people in your department, whoever you need to fill out this retention initiatives. And then you're going to paste the link to them and hit send, and then everything else for them should be self-explanatory. Email me if you have any questions.